do a breakdown on the hardware interface in Reason 10. Okay, so the hardware interface panel, it cannot be deleted. It'll always stay at the top of the rack. This is basically where you're going to make connections outside of Reason and inside Reason. You're connecting Reason to the outside world. And you can also use Rewire through this panel. So you have 2 sampling inputs right here. You have 16 audio inputs and 16 audio outputs. And you have a couple buttons. So each section will display LED meters. So for the sampling section, audio input section, the audio output section, you all have these LED meters. The hardware interface is where any audio clipping will occur. The more audio section, this is going to supply you with more audio inputs and outputs, which total 64 inputs and 64 outputs. The sampling section has 2 audio inputs. There's a level knob right here and 2 monitoring buttons. The advanced MIDI device will only be used when you're controlling Reason from an external sequencer using the external control bus inputs. So you may select MIDI ports for up to 4 external control buses on the sync page under preferences. Each bus can host 16 MIDI channels. So for each bus, you can host 16 MIDI channels for a total of 64 MIDI input channels. The advanced MIDI device is where you can route each MIDI channel to a specific device in the Reason rack. Then we have the big meter right here. So the big meter displays a better overview of the levels of the particular channel pair in view. So you'll select the corresponding channel selection button below each input-output pair. Or you can just use this channel selection knob to go through each channel. You can choose various meter modes. So you have VU. The VU mode shows the RMS value of the signal, which is an average of the signal level. VU offset determines how the VU's offset scale relates to the peak scale. And you have PPM mode. PPM mode is perfect for detecting transients in the sound. Peak mode will provide the most accurate representation of the signal. The peak hold time determines the fall time, 5 seconds or an infinite. This lets you more easily spot brief level peaks. And then you have VU plus peak. This gives you VU mode plus a peak segment. And then you have PPM plus peak. This mode gives you PPM mode plus a peak segment. Finally, if your audio levels get too high, they will stay lit until you hit the reset button.